It is another Thank God Friday edition of Money Moves. I am Melissa Enoch here at the FMDQ studios in Lagos. All right, let's tee off with your news now. Friday, British Airways has launched a new direct route between London Gatwick and Morocco's capital, Rabat. The inaugural flight operated on Wednesday, marking the airline's latest expansion in North Africa. The route, run by British Airways' short-haul subsidiary, BA Euroflyer, will operate regularly between the two capitals, enhancing business and leisure connectivity. The 26th Annual Research Conference has opened at the International Monetary Fund headquarters in Washington, D.C. IMF's first Deputy Managing Director, Dan Katz, delivered the opening remarks, setting the stage for 2 days of insightful discussions on global economic trends, policy challenges, and new research findings. Here are excerpts.
Trade has been a cornerstone of economic development, including the unprecedented rise in global living standards following World War II and the establishment of the Bretton Woods institutions. Yet, there is a strong perception that not everyone has benefited equally in recent times, either within or between countries. The classic Ricardian model suggests that when economies specialize in activities for which they have a comparative advantage, everyone gains.
Global spending on data centers is expected to hit up to $7 trillion by 2030, driven mainly by tech companies in the US and China, according to Alliance commercial experts. The surging demand for AI and cloud computing has triggered a global building boom, with some projects costing over $20 billion. Alliance warns that rapid expansion is creating new risks and exposures for companies and insurers as data center development accelerates worldwide. In other news, Afreximbank has extended a $36.4 million contract financing facility to Egypt's Samco National Construction Company for the construction of the Akibwa Olympic Stadium in Lira, Uganda. The facility, provided under Afreximbank's engineering, procurement, and construction program, will support the design, development, and acquisition of materials for the project. The stadium is expected to host some matches of the 2027 Africa Cup of Nations, which Uganda will co-host with Kenya and Tanzania.
Let's switch into the commodities data deck, beginning with energy prices. Oil prices extended gains and continued despite supply concerns. Brent crude rose 0.76% to $63.86, while WTI gained 0.82% to $59.92. Natural gas slipped 1.51% to $4.29, and Arabic gasoline edged 0.17% higher to $1.96 as of 13:14 GMT. And now finally, two metals prices. Gold added 0.38% and copper gained 0.33% to $4.98. Platinum climbed 1.46% to $1,560.10, while aluminium eased 0.32%, all as of 13:16 GMT.
Grace, thank you very much for those market updates. And that's it on today's edition of Money Moves. From me and the rest of the team here at the FMDQ studios, we say thank you very much for watching and do have a wonderful weekend, everyone.